to the government's surveillance feeds, Decima will be able to acquire any information, any secret it desires, and sell it to the highest bidder.
And that would be the United States government.
Cardinal built her nest right in front of my door in some chicken wire that I'd had hanging up, thinking I might use it. I don't know if you can see it real good, but I thought it kind of funny. She didn't like none of my birdhouses. And when I'm in the barn, she won't come back to the nest unless the TV's on. But we'll see if there's any eggs in there, because oh yeah, looks like Mama's gonna have a few little babies.